how to create a game pass in Roblox. So if you want to create a game pass in your Roblox, then first you can open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And once you open your browser, you can simply search for Roblox and open up your Roblox. Go for the first search or go for the login and make sure to log into your account. So once you log into your account, you can simply go for create, which will be here on the upper side. Click on create and it will take you to create.roblox.com, or you can simply search for create.roblox.com and then you can log into your account. And once you've taken to the create page, now you can simply click on your experiences. Make sure you have your experiences and you need to simply go for create experience, or you can simply click on your experience that you have already created. And once you've clicked on that, here on the left side you will have a bunch of options. Scroll down and under monetization you will have passes. Click on passes and here you will have create a pass option. So click on create a pass and then you can upload an image, but this is optional. You can simply skip that part. And once you choose, you need to enter a name. So for example, I'll be choosing done, and once you enter the name, you need to write some description about the pass. So for example, you need to enter the description, and then once you enter the name and description, you need to click on create pass. And that's it, your pass has been created. You can simply click on that pass and then you can adjust these settings. You can also go for change to change your pass. And once you've created, you can simply go for the upper right, which has that 3 dots, and you can copy the URL and you can also open it in the new tab. And once you've copied the URL, you can send that pass to others and you can use that. So that's how you can create a game pass on Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.